Hi everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Here's your political news roundup for Wednesday, January 13th. It was a rough day in Washington for heads of the country's biggest banks. The presidents of those banks appeared before the government's Financial Crisis Inquiry Commission. The day brought an admission from Bank of America President Brian Moynihan that, quote, over the course of the crisis, we as an industry caused a lot of damage. J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon said mistakes were made and things could have been done better. Morgan Stanley Chairman John Mack called the crisis a powerful wake-up call. Many of the executives said their banks had tightened their bonus policies. Lloyd Blankfein of Goldman Sachs admitted, quote, we were going to bed every night with more risk than any responsible manager would want to have. The hearing kicks off what's expected to be a year-long investigation of the crisis by the commission. President Obama promised today that the United States would respond with a swift, coordinated, and aggressive effort to assist the nation of Haiti. The tiny Caribbean country off the east coast of Cuba was devastated by a magnitude 7 earthquake that left a parliament building, many hospitals, schools, homes, and other buildings collapsed. Haitian leaders now say the death toll could be in the thousands. Obama says he's directed his administration to do what it can to save lives and provide humanitarian relief. The first American workers were expected to arrive in Haiti this afternoon. There was a different sort of promise of U.S. help today to Pakistan. U.S. Special Representative Richard Holbrooke said Washington is prepared to help Pakistan meet the challenges facing that country, including the presence of anti-government terrorist groups. Holbrooke, who's on a 3-day visit to Pakistan, also said Secretary of State Hillary Clinton would be visiting soon. And the U.S. unemployment rate remains in double digits, but the Obama administration says the figure would be lots worse if it weren't for the federal stimulus plan. A report from the Council of Economic Advisors says the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act created or saved as many as 2 million jobs. The CEA report also estimates the plan added up to 4 percentage points to the third quarter GDP figure and up to 3 points in the fourth quarter. That's your political news roundup for Wednesday, January 13th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.